We're so close. Hello everyone, I'm here to talk about something very deep within my heart and soul. I thought I would sit down here and tell you all about fabulous products that I live by. Oh my gosh, okay, my camera's at 12%, so hopefully we can get through this quick. But anyway, I want to go through all the products that, and honestly, out of ever since I started my channel like 3 years ago, which is crazy, I cannot believe it's been 3 years. Out of all the products I've tested, I just wanted to show you some products and share some products with you that really stood out to me in regards to healing acne scars and all of that. So basically starting from 3 years ago until now, I'm probably missing a few products honestly, but as of recently, these are the ones that are sticking out to me the most. But I mean, there's probably at least a few other products that I like, so I'll probably have to make another video. But this is an oldie but a goodie, a long lost friend, AZTEC healing clay. So since my acne, like for the most part, is pretty much gone, like there's a few pimples I'm getting, this filter, I honestly don't know how to shut it off. So let's see if it'll go away if I bring it close. Yeah, see? Okay, the filter's off. So this is what my skin is currently looking like. So it's nowhere near perfect, but my acne definitely is starting to go away, which is awesome. Look at my naturopath update video, which was the last video I just posted. But anyway, so, but not only just with the AZTEC healing, but this in combination with apple cider vinegar, because apple cider vinegar super exfoliates the skin gently and very well. I feel like apple cider vinegar is really good on skin topically, but if you leave it on, it's a bit too abrasive. But if you combine it with this mask, like specifically, it works wonders. I should have brought apple cider vinegar in, but also bentonite clay, like, but it just pulls out all the toxins, the dirt, the gunk out of your skin. It's super tightening, and also it just really helps with overall exfoliation. Again, especially with, because there's the apple cider vinegar that you have to mix with this. But yeah, this is like a powerhouse. So anyway, I had to show this out because I just started again using this like literally last week, and so I'm gonna post a video update on this. But yeah, I just wanted to re-meet it because it is just such a classic. And I feel like everyone should have this in their skincare routine. If you have not already picked this up, pick it up. I'll link everything down below. It's a game changer. But anyway, talking about exfoliating, I'm just gonna go straight into these products. I mean, you can find these in any brand, but this is just the Ordinary because I love the Ordinary. So affordable, so effective, super minimalistic, but it's amazing. So this is the Glycolic acid 7% toning solution, and then this is the lactic acid 10% plus AHA. These two are like crazy good when it comes to exfoliating because not only it's so gentle, but it's actually more effective and forgiving than the physical, like let's say St. Ives or whatever. Like I used to use that stuff so much in middle school, and I used to think like it would do wonders for my skin because my skin would feel so soft after, and like it's a nice feeling. But I mean, it's kind of like giving you false hope because these, I found sometimes they do burn a bit, but if you use it like at once every second day or even once every few days, this is gonna be so much more forgiving, and you're gonna thank yourself years from now from using this like in the evening. Make sure you wear your sunscreen when you wear these, but instead of using like physical exfoliants, like these are way better for acne scars. Trust me, I've never really found that many good of results or beneficial. If anything, it's just more irritation with the physical scrubs. Rice scrubs are okay. I do have a rice scrub, which I really like. I think it's by Green Envy I have, but I can link that down below. But anyway, other than that, like I would just straight up use chemical exfoliants, and then physical, just again, my honest, humble opinion, I just personally prefer that. I found the best results through that in regards to acne scarring. So yeah, if you are in need of nice gentle exfoliation, those two products, so affordable, so good. Yes, yeah, I have videos on both of those I can link down below. This is also a classic. Like this was honestly one of the game changers. I'm gonna start using it more recently. But anyway, this is the Ordinary Niacinamide and Zinc. I recently stopped using this just because my acne did come back, and I feel like this is more, again, good not for acne tackling, but more for scarring. So that's why I kind of gave up on this for a while, because again, my acne like was starting to come back. I think when I was like bug killing with my naturopath, my acne kind of flared up again, and I was frustrated, so I quit using this. But now, since my acne is clearing again, which is great, we're getting back on track with the naturopath situation. So now I can start using niacinamide and zinc again, which is amazing. So hopefully over time, my acne scars will eventually, you know, get assistance and heal more quicker. And then I just had to put this in one of my favorites. I mean, hyaluronic acid, like it's not like a treatment or anything for your skin, but honestly, hydration is hydration, and the more hydrated your skin is, the healing process will be amped up by 1000%. Like, just keeping your skin moisturized, honestly, is just like the most basic thing you can do in your skincare routine, but it's so important. I thought I would add this in there just because moisture, again, in general, is just so important. Another really important skincare product regarding acne scars, and this is honestly one of the most important ones. So this would be a vitamin C. So any vitamin C, honestly. I mean, my personal favorite, of course, is the Banish one, because it's all vegan, cruelty-free, organic ingredients, and also once you order it, literally a fresh batch is made that same day you order it and shipped out. So yeah, game changer. If you don't know, I'm affiliate with Banish. I will leave my codes right here. You will thank me later. But like, on a serious note though, like, Banish vitamin C's are amazing, because this also has like aloe, vitamin E, rosehip oil, very soothing ingredients, as well as vitamin C, of course. But I mean, nonetheless, vitamin C in general, even if you can't get this, you could totally pick up like cheaper vitamin C's at the drugstore or anything like that. Just make sure there's like no fragrance or alcohol or just any kind of harsher ingredients. But if I were to really highly recommend a good solution to acne scar healing, it would be vitamin C in the morning with a sunscreen, and then at night would be like chemical exfoliants. That is like my #1 tip. Like, if you want to speed up the healing process so fast, that would be like my routine. But anyway, yeah, so vitamin C for sure. And then this is just another Banish product I really like, because this is basically pure aloe in like, it's like jelly, but yeah, it's basically aloe and MSM, and MSM promotes collagen production. Just in general, it's just so healing. If anything, I would mix these, like aloe, vitamin C, MSM powder, like that is just a powerhouse. There's also green tea in this. Yeah, honestly, these two products I've just always been obsessed with ever since I realized they existed, so definitely get your hands on those. And then the last product I'm obsessed with, so this is kind of messy, but this is castor oil. So I want to start using more oils. This was like castor oil, literally out of all the oils I tried, I literally tried every single oil for acne scars, and castor oil for some reason is the only oil that I actually appreciate, and like I feel like actually does something for my skin and will heal it and moisturize it. Despite it being so thick, you could actually mix it with something like even a moisturizer, but I prefer on its own, and just on its own it's amazing. And yeah, basically castor oil is like the only oil in general that I actually like, that I think that actually does something for my skin and acne scarring. And yeah, just the overall moisture is amazing. But anyway, yeah, so those are, my camera's literally gonna die, so I'm gonna have to wrap this video up. Feel like I'm gonna have to go through a whole video on just like my absolute skincare favorites in general, because I feel like I have so many. But for acne scars specifically, this is like, these were my choices. I just wanted to jump on here since, again, my acne is starting to clear, which is amazing. I want to focus more on acne scars for myself, so I thought what better way to do that than to just go through all of the acne scar friendly products that I've been enjoying as of late, and then I'm gonna have to probably do an acne scar friendly updated skincare routine. But anyway, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this. Please subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss a video I post. All my social media links will be linked down below, so with my second YouTube channel, subscribe to that. It'll mean the world to me. And lots of virtual kisses and hugs, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, peace.